shorter. Hey, Michael, me amigo, pay attention, it's showtime.
So it is. Here, you rascal, you. Let's put on the show.
Mon ami, I am always ready to put on the show. As is my good friend, Fritz. My goodness, you're all staring at us. We better start the show rolling.
Wait. We forgot to wake up the Tiki Club. In the Tiki room, in the Tiki room.
All the birds sing word and the flowers grow.
In the Tiki room.
Welcome to our tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we were in the show starting right away. The young
Hey, stop the music! Are you listening to me? I said stop the music! What is that? I'm gonna toss my crackers. And these people below me, they ain't gonna like that. Trust me.
Iago?
Well, look what the cat grade did. 0.
That's the Zazu. Be forewarned, Iago. You cannot toy with the enchanted Tiki room.
What are you squawking about?
Pardonnez-moi, Monsieur Iago, but I am afraid that your friend is right.
He's not my friend.
Well,
Obviously, you birds don't know who we are. Don't you guys ever fly to the movies?
We don't get out much.
We are, how do you say, attached to the place.
Now, don't get too attached, chums, because we're the new owners.
New owners?
That's right. Now listen, you bird brains. If you're going to keep your jobs, you got to get here. I know all about it, see? Because I'm the daily this movie star and old Hollywood company. Who cares about a life fortune bar? I'm the one with all the champagne. I got a million crackers in the bank and I'm playing at a city ball. And you guys look old and mean and bad, but they're lining up at the door. You all boring tiki birds, I'm a big sometimes birdie. That's why I'm gonna go and change the show. Hey, right now, friend like me. Let's see, you're in the
Monsieur Iago has flown the coop.
Oh, dear.
Perhaps it would be best to let the Tiki gods have their say, n'est-ce pas?
Right. And now, here they are, the pop idols of Polynesia. The one, the only, the Tiki gods.
That's right. And now that we've got a smash